If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. As you can see by the title and the date at the beginning of this video, it is the 4th of July. Anyways, so I just got out of the shower and I'm all ready for tonight. Yeah, I'm getting a really late start to the vlog because I haven't really done anything all day. I was at my grandparents' house this morning, so the whole day was just like me with my grandparents and then we drove home. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna give you guys a fit check, and then I'm gonna go and pick Naomi up, and then we're going to like this little 4th of July fair. It's the same fair I went to last year. If you remember my vlog from last year, it's the same fair. So yeah, we're going to that. It's gonna be really fun. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. Makeup is done and I'm gonna do a fit check. Okay, so top is from Aeropostale, shorts are from Aeropostale, socks are from Old Navy, necklace is from Shein, earrings are from Shein, bracelets are also from Shein. Don't cancel me, please. Anyways, I'm gonna get my bag ready now. So that's all set, and then I'm gonna get some blankets and chairs so we can watch the fireworks. Yeah.
Cumberland Farms haul. Okay. So we got a Galaxy Vibe Celsius. Shut your mouth. We have a Peach Vibe Celsius.
So the amount of sleep I got last night was 0. Actually, it was 1 hour, but it wasn't in the night. It was basically a morning nap.
Beauty guru.
Because I slept from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m.
Because my tummy hurts.
That's all I slept.
Oh, what am I saying? Oh my god!
Why are you still recording?
Okay, we will see you when we're at the so we will. This is gonna be so disgusting.
Have you seen those people on TikTok? Yeah. Have you not seen them?
Nay. We're here. We're getting chicken because
Grace is surprised that she had to pay to go to the
I was
fair.
not expecting to pay. It was $20.
Axe throwing?
We're not going axe throwing. You probably have to pay.
I will pay.
Okay, you can pay for yourself and I watch.
I need to go.
We look so cutesy. We look like M&Ms.
I hate the angle you hold your camera.
No, because I'm afraid. Like, I don't want people to see me vlogging. And you can do it.
Should I take over the vlog?
Out here. My pronouns are U.S.
The Facebook vlogs.
I don't know what he's saying. No, support local artists. We're waiting for the fireworks to start. They don't start for another hour. I got ice cream and I'm really sad because I wanted a cherry slushie, but they ran out of slushies, so I had to get ice cream. Anyway, we're waiting for the fireworks to start. I look so cutesy and preppy, and look at how my shirt is glowing. We have this dog bowl full of fries that we still haven't eaten.
Final thoughts.
Sinking is crazy.
Probably an 8.1 out of 11.
Interesting scale. I would say
No, I think 8.1 out of 10. That's what I told my other friends.
8.7 out of 10. I really liked them. Just some were really overwhelming.
So, oh my God.
Low-key almost had an anxiety attack.
Don't watch this video if you're epilepsy.
Oh,
If
don't.
you
I have
epilepsy.
I put a trigger warning.
What is this lighting?
Is it? It's really cute, right?
This is why you need to film your videos on Snapchat, because then you get the ring light.
Well, I don't film my videos on Snapchat.
Anyways,
We're gonna go back and do sprinklers. Sprinklers?
I said that earlier today. I was talking to my friend because we were in the parade, and I was like, oh, I can't wait to do sprinklers tonight. But I didn't like catch myself, and Andrew was like, sprinklers? And I was like,
The fireworks were really cutesy. I can't breathe. Anyway, we're going back now. I low-key might drive in complete silence because I can't do music right now. I'm gonna get copywritten.
Oh yeah.
I have 2. Oh, get away from my face.
Yeah, so great.
Oh my god, you almost got out my shoe. And I
have 3. I have 3.
Sparks fly whenever you
But you can't relight them.
smile.
This is the last one.
Hello everyone, I'm obviously back home now and I am exhausted, so that's gonna cut it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was really fun. The fair and everything, it was really fun. The fireworks kind of went on for too long, but it's okay because they were slay. Anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you with my next video.